Gentlemen, we have to move fast. Our top priority now is to stop all these kidnapping cases na ayon sa intelligence reports involves a known and respected businessman by the name of Anton Ledesma.
How could that be, sir? Samantala ang pinakahuling kaso ng kidnapping ay mismong anak niya ang biktima.
Yan din ang pinagtataka ko, sir. Pagkatapos niya mag-report, ay hindi na siya bumalik. At parang ayaw na niya makipagtulungan.
That's simple, Colonel. Sapagkat si Mr. Anton Ledesma ay natatakot din. Tulad ng mga biktima na may ganyang kaso. And listen to this, Colonel. Lalo silang takot sa mga pulis na tulad natin.
Why did you say that?
You cannot disprove any longer the fact that some of our policemen are involved in those crimes. Patong, koleksyon, lahat, sabit sa lahat ng illegal. So how can we stop the crime? Kung mismong ang mga pulis na tulad natin ang ating kalaban, Colonel.
But still, we have to solve these cases para matigil na ang pambibira sa atin ng media at manumbalik ang pagtitiwala sa atin ng mga taong bayan.
But sir, we are doing our best.
Your best is not enough. I want results. And I want all concerted efforts of your departments to once and for all stop all this. Colonel Mercado,
Sir,
I want you to lead this operation and gather the necessary evidence to nail all those involved. And I'm giving you 1 week. Got me, Colonel?
yes, sir.
Come on, baby, honey, baby, I love it, baby. I love you very much, baby. Come on, do it to me, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, do it to me, baby. That's the way. That's the way I like it, baby. Yeah, baby, do it to me, baby. Do it to me, baby. No, don't stop, baby. Don't stop, baby. Don't stop.